I'm too excited. I'm opening your belly.
Here, do that, Stink. You smell. Grab a handful, go throw it on the grass. Come on, all this needs to go on the grass, man.
Spread it out.
Come on, man. You're in charge. Oh, there needs to be a nice landing pattern.
No, don't do that. Watch me.
Make a trail. You need to dump a lot more than that. They're going to be hungry.
Put some over here too. I can see you. Yeah, there's sparkles.
Whoa, careful, careful, careful. You okay?
Yeah, I had a bad one since I fell on that.
Stay out of the street. Don't get hit, please.
Whoa! Come to me, come to me. Oh.
Are you gonna get worn out and
Come to me, oh.
You tired too?
I'll put some on the ground.
Gotta make sure Tex doesn't eat these oats.